What do you do, YouTube? My name is Arthur, back again with another video, and in this video we're going to take a look at triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities, and of course we're also going to take a look at cross arbitrage opportunities and stuff like that. So without any further ado, guys, let's just jump right into it without wasting any time. So as you can see right now, we're on the dashboard already logged in, and we're just gonna scan for triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities. But a lot of you were asking me questions about cross arbitrage, so I'm just gonna explain to you how it works, and then we're gonna jump into triangle crypto arbitrage. You know what I mean? So let's log in right here, and yeah, let's take a look at all these opportunities. You know what I mean? So as you can see right now, here's a scanner for cross arbitrage opportunities. So with cross arbitrage opportunity, all you have to do is to buy, let's say, like Bitcoin, your Ethereums and stuff like that from an exchange at lower price, and then you sell to another exchange at higher price. You know what I mean? So all these exchanges that are listed right here, these are all legit crypto exchanges, right? That you can find on internet and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So you also have this section, and it has got other crypto exchanges as well. So right here, you select your crypto exchange. This is where you're buying your cryptocurrencies from, or where exactly you've got your funds. You know what I mean? So let's say you have got funds on Binance. You select the Binance right here, and this is where you want to sell. You know what I mean? At higher price, because you're buying here at lower price and you're selling right here at higher price. So let's say you want to take a look at let's say you want to take advantage of Upbit or HTX and stuff like that. You're just gonna have to select an exchange, and it's just gonna load up and then give you opportunities that are available just like this. You know what I mean? So it's very, very simple. In this case, you're buying, let's say, some BTC, and you're selling on Upbit crypto exchange right here at higher price and stuff like that. So you can also see that it's working in real time. You know what I mean? But let's jump right into triangle crypto arbitrage right here. So so that I won't waste a lot of time and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and scan for triangle crypto arbitrage. You know what I mean? And we can scan pretty much all the opportunities from different crypto exchanges that are listed right here. You know what I mean? So you guys can also take advantage of these opportunities that you see in this video if you're watching this video right now. You know what I mean? So you can see that this scanner supports pretty much all the exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, KuCoin, and pretty much all these crypto exchanges right here. You know what I mean? So if you have got an account in one of these crypto exchanges, then you're good to go. But right now we're just gonna select, let's say we want to use the KuCoin. I've got an account with KuCoin, and I pretty much trade almost all my triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities on KuCoin right here, because it's kind of easy and everything. You know what I mean? So in this case, let's put like 110. You guys, I don't understand why you want me to keep on putting right here like 100, 200. But I usually go higher than that, like 1,000, 2,000. You know what I mean? So let's put 110, and let's see 50. Yeah, want to see the top 50 triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available. And let's just leave it like this, and we're just gonna go ahead and click apply, and it's just gonna load for at least 10 seconds as usual, and then opportunity is gonna come after loading right here. You know what I mean? All right, so as you can see right now, we have got these opportunities, and first one being BTC to link, then link to STT, and I think we're just gonna take this one because it's also the highest right here. So let's dive right into it. Alright, so I've logged into my KuCoin account. As you can see, I've got 110 USD, exactly amount that we put on the scanner, and we're just gonna jump into trade and then take advantage of the triangle opportunity that we found. You know what I mean? So we're gonna need some BTC, and we're just gonna have to look for BTC, this one right here, and let's spend 100% to buy some BTC. Just like right here, and we placed an order, and we have some BTC now. As you can see, I don't have my USDT. If we click sell, gonna see some BTC right here. So this is the amount that we have right now in my wallet. Let me show you this one right here, right? So let's go back right here, and you're gonna have to get some link. So we're just gonna search right here, link to BTC, right? Link to BTC should be somewhere else right here. This one right here, link to BTC, has gone down by minus 1.42%. So let's click link. We're gonna have to buy some link with this BTC that we have right here, right? So let's spend 100% like this. Let's use a market order so that it's gonna go through immediately, right? Let's buy some link, 100%. Now we have some link, right? So now we're gonna have to sell our link to USDT, right? So we're gonna jump into where it's written link right here and search link to USDT, which is this one right here, link to USDT, and then we're gonna have to click sell right here, and then we're gonna have to click 100%, and then we're just gonna go ahead and click sell our link. All right, just like that, and then let's see how much money we made. So as you can see right now, we ended up having 113, which is not bad, but because we started with 110, so we only made like at least $4 for USD right here. We started with 110, ended up with 3.9 USDT right here. So arbitrage opportunity was not bad, but at least we're still in profit. And if we do this again and again, we're still gonna be making reasonable profits and stuff like that. So this was only like 3.5% that we found, and wasn't really bad. So all the links gonna be in the description below as well, including the scanner that I was using. The link is gonna be in the description below as well, right? We can also check right here. So reload this up. As you can see, this is what we ended up having with right here. You know what I mean? So this was simple and straightforward recording live. So therefore, guys, thank you for subscribing, and leave a like button for each algorithm. You will help to push these videos to reach out a new audience. Therefore, I'll send the video, guys. Love and peace. Cheers.